In this tutorial, let me show you how you can turn on the auto answer feature on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So at first, you should know that it applies to, of course, the incoming phone calls. So yeah, these are the ones which are part of the phone app. But essentially, you need to change the settings which are part of the settings app. So locate this, and then from the main options, go to the accessibility. So this is where it needs to be changed. Click on that. And from the accessibility toggles, click on the touch menu. So you can get there. And at the bottom, we have call audio routing. So that is kind of a different thing, but when you open it up, you will see another toggle there for the auto answer calls. So for me, it is turned off by default. And of course, you can click on it. There isn't really much else other than the toggle, but once you turn it on, you also get to change and tweak the amount of seconds, which is the duration of time to wait until the call is automatically answered. And you cannot make it lower than 3 seconds, but you can bump it up to make it more, right? So even if I try to type in 2 seconds right here, when I come back and here again, you can see it's back to 3 seconds. So this is the lowest amount of time which you can pick. But still, it's a great feature if you need it, right? You don't have to touch your phone, and after 3 seconds, the call will be picked up. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Most definitely subscribe for more guides and videos like this one. Hit the thumbs up to let me know that you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.